First step, we want to remove the wires, and I like to label like what cylinder they go in. So 1, 2, 3, 4 with a Sharpie. Wiggle these and then pull them out. Then we're going to take our spark plug socket. This is a 5/8 spark plug socket with our extension and ratchet, and just break the spark plug loose. So we'll do the same thing for the next spark plug, cylinder 3. Break that loose. All right, this one's still kind of in there a little bit tight, so I'm gonna have to use the ratchet. And out comes the plug. It's also good to look at the plugs when you pull them out and make sure that there's nothing funny. Look, you know, it's not like soaked with oil or. Oh my goodness. And the second cylinder spark plug is out. Oh man, somebody over torqued this one. Alright, cylinder 1 is out. So now we want to take our new plug and put a little anti-seize compound. Get this at the auto parts store. You don't want to overdo it, but make sure there is some. It's going to help prevent stripping stuff. You also want to make sure that you have this little washer thing is on there when you put the spark plug in. Alright, I also like to use like an old spark plug boot to kind of get it started when I'm screwing it in, so that hopefully it doesn't strip it or anything. So just go ahead and screw that in. Be gentle, you don't want to strip the threads. Alright, we'll do the same process for the next spark plug. Some anti-seize on the threads. And we're just going to repeat the process for the rest of the 2 holes. Alright, we're going to get our torque wrench out and torque these to 13 foot-pounds, which I believe is the spec for spark plugs in this particular car. So make sure to look up whatever it is for your particular model. Do the same thing for the next cylinder until you get that click. Finally, the last cylinder. So the last step will be to put the wires back in. So I labeled first cylinder. I mean, you can also tell that the wire is the longest one, but it's easier if you just label them. All right, this is the second cylinder. Third cylinder. Finally, the 4th cylinder. And just make sure the boots are all snug and in there. One last thing is you might want to just organize or tidy up the cables here a little bit. And you're done.